PC is already given in this question. This chapter is amalgamation of companies. Following is the balance sheet of X and Y. These two are selling companies. They have given their balance sheet to Z Limited to take over, right? These are the liabilities, share capital, general reserve, creditors, and P&L and loan. Keep in mind, share capital will be returned to shareholders. General reserve, on general reserve, there is a right of shareholders. On P&L, on profits of company, there is a right of shareholders, that is owners. So these three things you have to avoid while taking liabilities. Okay, while taking over the liabilities, you have to avoid these three things: share capital, general reserve, and profit and loss account. Coming on the asset side, companies having furniture, stock, debtors, buildings, cash and bank, these all will be taken over by Z Limited. They agreed to amalgamate and a new company Z Limited is formed to take over the entire business of both X and Y. The PC purchase consideration agreed is 1,20,000 for X and 1,65,000 for Y. So you will write to liquidator X Limited to liquidator Y Limited and you will write the respective amounts. Next, to be paid rupees 15,000 in cash to both amalgamating companies. That means this is the cash amount we are paying to cash account to 15,000. So they will receive 15,000. We will write liquidator debit to cash, and then the rest of the amount, balance amount, is given in shares of 100 each. So this is the PC amount 1,20,000 and 1,65,000. If you make the total of this and deduct 15,000 from this, you will come to know the balance amount. 1,20,000 plus 1,65,000, 2,85,000 minus 15,000. 2,85,000 minus 15,000, 2,70,000. That means 2,70,000 equity shares of rupees 100 will be issued. That means 2,70,000 divided by 100, 2,700 shares. 2,700 shares will be issued of rupees 100 each to balance the 2,70,000 PC to liquidator of X and Y. Now entries you have to write in the opening balance sheet of Z. Z is the purchasing company. So in the books of purchasing company, first entry will be business purchase account debit to liquidator of X Limited. You have to write this amount 1,20,000 to liquidator of Y Limited 1,65,000. Total 2,85,000 on the debit side of business purchase account, being purchased business of X and Y Limited. Second entry, the assets of X Limited will become assets of Z Limited. Assets of Y Limited will become assets of Z Limited. So these assets will be debited in the account of Z Limited. We are making journal of Z, right? So furniture account debit 60,000 plus 38, 98,000. Furniture account debit 98,000. दोनों का प्लस करके लिखना है. अलग अलग लिखेंगे तो बहुत ज्यादा एंट्रीज करनी पड़ेंगी. अगर आप ऐसे लिख रहे हो फर्नीचर ऑफ एक्स लिमिटेड अकाउंट डेबिट 60,000, फर्नीचर ऑफ वाई लिमिटेड अकाउंट डेबिट 38,000, तो दो दो एंट्री करनी पड़ेगी. इससे अच्छा आप एक ही एंट्री करो, फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट 98,000, स्टॉक अकाउंट डेबिट 33,000, 18 plus 15,000, debtors account debit 12,000 plus 12,000, 24,000, building account debit 1,70,000, cash and bank account debit 15 plus 35, 50,000. ठीक है. उसके बाद एक लाइन छोड़ देनी है, या तो गुडविल आएगा, बैलेंस नहीं होएगा एसेट और लायबिलिटी, तो वहां पे एक लाइन छोड़ दो. उसके बाद एक लाइन छोड़ दिया. अभी क्रेडिट साइड में लिखना है टू, मतलब थोड़ा स्पेस डाल के To creditors account 25 plus 20 45,000. To loan account 50,000. To business purchase account 2,85,000. जो business purchase इन दोनों का amount है ना 1,20,000 plus 1,65,000. To business purchase account 2,85,000. उसके बाद डेबिट और क्रेडिट बैलेंस नहीं होएगा, क्रेडिट साइड हैवी है तो डेबिट साइड बैलेंस आएगा गुडविल अकाउंट 5,000, गुडविल अकाउंट 5,000. ठीक है, तो सेकेंड एंट्री का नरेशन है बीइंग assets and liabilities taken over of X and Y Limited. नेक्स्ट, अब इनको कुछ देना भी तो है, असेट्स उनके ले लिए, लाइबिलिटीज टेक ओवर कर ली, अब उनको क्या दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे आप ध्यान देंगे तो हमने दोनों कंपनीज को 15,000 का कैश दिया है और बाकी शेयर्स दिया है. नाउ दे विल रिसीव, हु इज रिसीविंग? X Limited will receive, Y Limited will receive. These are liquidators. Liquidator of X Limited account debit, liquidator of Y Limited account debit. X Limited के सामने 1,20,000 और Y Limited के सामने 1,65,000. तो डेबिट साइड में आएगा liquidator of X Limited account debit 1,20,000, liquidator of Y Limited account debit 1,65,000. To cash account 15,000. हमने क्या दिया? लिक्विडेटर ने रिसीव किया, डेबिट द रिसीवर, लिक्विडेटर इज रिसीविंग कैश. हमने यहाँ से कैश दिया है उमा लिमिटेड ने, सॉरी जेड लिमिटेड ने. टू कैश अकाउंट 15,000. टू शेयर कैपिटल ऑफ 2,70,000. 2,70,000 कैसे आएगा? इन दोनों को प्लस करेंगे 2,85,000, उसमें से 15,000 माइनस, तो अमाउंट आएगा 2,70,000. That is 2,700 shares multiplied by 100 each. Being purchase consideration settled. Thank you very much for listening and watching.